If I were doing this by hand, I think it would take me 15 minutes at least, plus clean up, and this is like no cleanup. So I'm making a dough for a bread, and I really like this. It saves a lot of time, and the bread ends up really soft because it needs it. So I just put a little bit of flour and salt in there, and this is nice. You can just add the water. Look at the consistency as it's going, because I don't follow a recipe. I kind of go based on the consistency. So here I just go on one to mix the salt and flour, and then I can start adding water. So it has different settings. That's pulse. We really need pulse for bread. 1, 2, 3, up to 6. So I can go pretty fast and see how it incorporates the water. And then I just add a little more water as it goes until I get the ball of dough.
How long does it take?
A few minutes. It's already starting.
You don't do dough like pizza dough?
Similar.
What's the attachment you're using? Dough hook?
The dough, it's starting to form a ball. It takes so long doing it by hand. See, look, it's like a ball now. So when it's a ball, it's like perfect. And then you can just go a little bit slower. It's the kneading action, just
You can't hear any of that when you're talking. Say
this
that
is just
often.
kneading. Best part, very little cleanup. It's like taking, smells good. Cleans up all the dough from the side. Like, it's so easy to clean this instead of getting your hands messy and everything messy. And the dough is perfect and soft, and was just a few minutes of kneading. If I were doing this by hand, I think it would take me 15 minutes at least, plus clean up, and this is like no cleanup, almost no cleanup. Yeah. Close it and just do this. It locks. Now it doesn't come up, and then you want to open it, push it again. The KitchenAid forces you to unlock it before you raise it up, so this is a little bit easier. So another thing is, this is quite light. The KitchenAid is like 2.5 times heavier. This is very easy for me to pick it up and put it away. So no need to keep it outside.
So strong.
For the kind of bread I'm doing, this is optional, but I like to let it sit for at least an hour before I roll it out.
There's no
What do you
yeast in
say?
there?
No, but they say to let it sit before you roll it.